Hey guys, what's up? It's Maritza. Welcome back. Today's look is this Wizard of Oz inspired makeup. We have Dorothy on one side, the Wicked Witch of the West on the other side, and the Yellow Brick Road on the chest. Oh, if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching and I hope you enjoy this video. I'm starting out by taking a white eye pencil and I'm mapping out where I want each side to be. And then on the pretty side, I'm taking my foundation. This is the Covergirl Healthy Elixir foundation, and I'm just putting that all over my face and blending it out with a damp beauty sponge. Then I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm concealing under my eyes, my nose, and all that, blending it out again. And then I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade or Dipbrow in Ebony. Taking my Wet n Wild Megaliner, I am putting on some winged liner. And then I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and I'm bronzing up my face. And then I also put a little bit of bronzy eyeshadow on that eye, just a little tiny bit. And then I'm taking my Milani Baked Blush and I am putting blush on the apples of my cheeks. And then also highlighting my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, and then the inner corner of that eye. And then on the other side of my face, I'm doing a witch, so I'm taking some green body paint from Mehron makeup, and I'm covering that side with the green. And then jumping down to the lips, I'm taking the Kylie Cosmetics red lipstick. And then I'm putting some mascara and a false lash on the pretty side and also lining it with the white eye pencil. And then on the witch side, I'm doing a nice thick fluffy eyebrow. And also darkening up around the eye area with a dark green eyeshadow. And then I'm lining that eye with black and also putting that on my eyelid as well to pack on more black on that eye. And then I'm adding some wrinkles to the face, so like a smile line, some lines around the eyes and the eyebrow and the forehead. And I'm also putting that on my cheekbone as well. Get a nice second cheekbone. And then I'm taking some dark brown eyeshadow and I'm going against that line that we drew dividing the two sides of the face. And then I'm doing the same thing using black on top of that. And then going back to the lips, I'm putting some glitter, NYX glitter glue and red glitter on my lips to give it that Dorothy ruby red slipper vibe. And then taking black body paint, I am lining that line to get it nice and dark. Then I decided to go back and deepen up some parts of the witch, so around the eye and the cheekbone. For the chest, I'm doing yellow in a triangle shape, and then I'm outlining it in black. This is gonna be like the yellow brick road, so I'm doing the brick. So I'm first painting a line going from each side and then doing some little lines for the bricks going the opposite way. And then I'm doing little vertical black lines to divide the bricks. And then I'm taking some brown eyeshadow and shadowing against that black line, dividing it from my body. And then I'm taking white paint and highlighting the bricks. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look and the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave so you don't miss out on any new upcoming Halloween looks. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!